In 1988, Yellowstone National Park faced a massive wildfire, burning over 793,000 acres. Initially seen as a disaster, it revealed fire's crucial role in rejuvenating ecosystems. The flames cleared old vegetation, allowing sunlight to reach the forest floor, sparking new growth. This natural cycle, often misunderstood, supports biodiversity by creating habitats for various species. Could fire be nature's way of renewing life? As the ashes settled, Yellowstone's landscape transformed, showcasing vibrant regrowth. This event reshaped our understanding of fire's ecological significance, highlighting its role in maintaining balance and fostering resilience in nature.